Hey everybody, I'm going to show you quickly how to paste in HTML into an announcement in Blackboard that's already been formatted. So this saves a bunch of time. If someone wants you to put something in the Blackboard and they send you this text, which is the HTML for the announcement, and I'll show you where to find that once we make this one, you'll get a file that looks like this. So all you want to do is do Control A, which will select all of it, and that's A as in apple, Control C as in cat, which will copy all of it. So now it's copied to my clipboard. I go create announcement, and then I'm going to click the HTML button here, and that has generated, I have another screen obviously, and that generated this box. So I click inside here, you can see my cursor's flashing there, Control V as in Victor, and it pastes in that HTML, and I just hit update. And this is really nice because there's an embedded video. I don't have to do it. I don't have to find it. It's just ready to go because the person sent me the HTML instead of sending me other information. So I already put this in other Blackboard, so my title is there, the same. And you can scroll through and look, and it looks pretty clean. You could fix little things and then send it. And so you're good to go, and it's a regular announcement in your Blackboard. So just to show you briefly, if you made something and you want to share it with other people, all you're going to do is come right here to the HTML button. It'll open up this HTML window. Click once, so your cursor's in this box. Control A, which is all, selects all. Control C for copy. Then you would open up a notepad, something like this. And I use Notepad because it takes all the other formatting away. If you paste in a Word document and then send the code through Word document, sometimes there's other background characters that'll mess up the code. So Notepad's your best bet for trading HTML. Control V as in Victor. And although you can't see it, there's all your HTML. That's exactly the same as what's in this box. Then you just file, save your Notepad file, and that's what you would email to other people. Then they don't have to set this up. Okay, I hope that's helpful.